We didn't have any, did we?
I thought there was some sitting in the corner there.
Well, I had some.
Did you leave it in there?
Yeah.
A little thing like that?
Yeah.
You left it in there? I just used
I
soap.
didn't find any.
Well, the pressure was great on
Oh.
the shower.
My soap, too.
That was your soap too?
Yeah.
Oh.
There was soap out there.
They had the round
So
soap.
on by the, outside the shower.
Yeah.
So you left the soap in there, then?
I guess we owe you for the shampoo.
Yeah. I used the shampoo.
I was aggravated because there was a tiny bit left. I thought you guys had used all the oil.
I just use soap. Shampoo, yeah. But it was a very good shower.
Yeah.
Except you thought it was a little low.
I don't like showers that are that low. You gotta bend down to do your hair.
Did you guys take a shower last night or not?
No.
I'm tired.
I slept very well, though. I did.
Did you? And I took a shower before I went to
Except
bed.
for the heat that developed later on.
Well, Mark, why was that?
Well, I didn't realize it. I did wake up having to go to the bathroom, and I noticed that it wasn't on. Well, to be honest,
air
though, it
conditioning wasn't on,
It wasn't really hot.
Or was it just turned on?
But no, I thought it was just probably off. You know, it was cool enough so it shut off or something. And right.
It was cool enough.
But
did you have the temperature thing? Did you set the temperature thing, or did you shut up?
Temperature down a little bit.
Yeah,
It never
the normal.
came on
Yeah,
the rest of
right.
the night. I don't know what these guys are whining.
But I mentioned it to Tom that it was kind of hot, right, or something like that. And Tom then said that, well, Dan had shut it off, and in the night at some point, you saw him do that.
For some reason, I woke up. I didn't know. I don't even know what time it was.
Not accurate.
Is that when you went to the bathroom, Dan? Because I did wake up at that
I
point
couldn't
too.
sleep. I was freezing.
You had a cord.
What time was it then?
2:30, I think.
Yeah, because I did look at the clock to see the time.
I woke up to the sight of Dan bending over the controls.
Surreptitiously.
Very stealthily, I thought.
But you didn't call out?
You would have preferred that I go, hey guys, you care? Mind if I turn this down?
Well, that's what Mark said earlier that morning. He said, well, we probably should have been a consultation.
Well, we were both awake.
Well, I had put the air conditioning. Ours wasn't on when it came into the room. And when it came back from you guys, I turned it on. But I put the temperature dial on normal, 7, I think it was, or something like that. And it kicked in when we went to bed, and then when I woke up, it wasn't on.
It was not either.
No, right. So it was.
Well, you guys
And it was
don't know
warm.
this. I got up later and even turned it a little colder, and it still didn't come on. So I said,
Were you getting hot at that time? Well, maybe they shut it off automatically. Maybe it
I
was.
was feeling guilty because I thought that I shut this off completely or something.
That's interesting. Dan had got up again and turned it on higher.
Really? And it didn't come on?
It didn't come on.
So
So
you hit
maybe.
the right button, Dan?
It didn't come. I think something. It was the control thing. In the morning when we looked at it, it didn't come on until we twisted it around a little bit. So maybe there was a fan connection or something.
So, yeah.
Well, I think we may have learned something there, though, with someone sitting right by the main part of the floor, and it was only on that side towards Dan. We might have to put the fan on higher to kick the air out further.
And move the.
Give that guy a blanket.
Right.
It's analogous to the band.
50-year-old blankets weren't
You're
there.
in the front.
Yeah.
The fan is on low. The coolness comes on you.
You guys have been doing this how many years? And this is the first time there's been a cold issue or an air conditioning issue? Have you always put the bed at the same spot?
Well, we've been hot before, but I don't. I think I've been hot.
For some reason, it was hotter or stuffier, maybe is the word for it last night.
But
Yeah, because the fan didn't keep running. It just
well,
went off completely.
we've had some experiences on our other trips, motels where it seems like it gets really hot at night, the air conditioning is on, but it still gets really hot, and I don't know if the air conditioning. So perhaps they save energy or something. Nah, they don't do that.
I don't think
Nah,
so.
they don't do that.
Those are individual units that are
Right.
independent of any
Just
system.
for air conditioning.
Yeah, the gauge, maybe the temperature gauge is
But you're a lot better off if you can run just a fan because then it just stays on. I hate it when you hear that thing going on and off. If you're calmed out, it doesn't make any difference. But if you're not sleeping well, it wakes you up.
and I almost thought too.
Creep on.
Train, yeah, right behind the. It's almost like a row of like the Indians would be coming, sheltered behind the hills.
That's the thing I don't like about motels. Those individual cooling units. I don't trust them that they're clean. They're really nice when you get a motel that's got
Their own
the
circulation.
whole,
Yeah.
it's like a building.
Yep.
Heated and cooled like a regular building.
Well, maybe the new one there that they're building will have a central air conditioning.
The one that they're stop building.
Yeah.
That was funny when I go up there and ask her, "Where's that hotel they're building?" She just, her face is